Hello everybody, it's your man 5KJ back with another video, and right now we're gonna go with an Ultimate Injustice pack opening. I haven't done a bunch of game stuff in a while. I haven't been feeling so well the past few days, but it's okay. I had allergies, took an allergy pill. I'm feeling okay until I take the next allergy pill. But yeah, we already opened one, and we're sorry about that. But my brother Jonathan will be opening them with his controller. You know how it is. But we already opened one. We have Flash Arms and Brainiac Torso. And look at that. 15 bronze, 11 silver, 9 gold, 4 platinum, 1 guild motherbox bronze, and 1 gold guild motherbox. So let's start with the bronze. Opening. Oh wait, that's not. We have a Atom Shade. Just got the DLC. And Gorilla Grodd Arms. That's actually pretty cool. Hardened 1 Earth Shield of Brawn from Superman. Wait, can I see that? Go back.
That's a regular F.
Yeah. And the TMNT legs. Durable brass ninja feet. 27 minus in strength, but plus 14 in health. I don't know about those. Okay, go back. We can open the next one. Looks like we got Black Adam arms. Yep, Black Adam arms. Durable pauldrons of Black Adam. Heroic Force. Inflict 3.80% extra damage to villains. Multiverse only. We have Black Adam. And the Cheetah Tails. $12 more bronze to go. And we start off with Cheetah Tail and go to Cheetah Arms. Plus 13 ability, minus 16 strength. I mean, what else can you do? What else can you say? They're just pretty average Cheetah Arms. It's level 1 Cheetah Arms. Now we have Raiden Arms. I thought it was really cool when they started putting Mortal Kombat people in here. It was nice. Plus 2 strength. Okay, 11 block to go, right? 11 bronze to go. Oh, we got a little, oh, because we have the guild, right. We have a Swamp Thing Club. Tough.
Increases character XP gained by 7.36%.
And Swamp Thing Legs. It's just a Swamp Thing box. 12 plus 12 health, minus 18 ability. Here are the legs. They look like Groot legs. Harley Quinn. It's a Harley Quinn head. Destructive. Sorry, got the finger. Oh, and a Robin. Oh my gosh. A 30.
Oh, Robin's level 30.
I know, but it's a 30 level Robin torso with 57. I mean, plus 8 strength, plus 43 defense, and plus 10 health. But a minus of 82 strength. I mean, that's a pretty, and it looks nice too.
I'm trying to get that 9 one.
And here's a Harley Quinn head. Plus 29 strength, but minus in ability, defense, and health. A Wonder Woman head. Destructive Scarlet Battle Tiara with plus 4 strength. And a Hellboy head. Mighty Beastly Brawling Head. Plus 9 ability. Here's what it looks on him.
Okay. So, nice head, I guess.
Supergirl Arms, Lethal Castaway Maiden's Arm, plus 25 strength, minus 24 defense. The sell price is 92, and then a Bane Torso. Really just minus defense and minus health. Not that really good, but these are bronze mother boxes again. We have gold, we have silver, we have platinum. Subzero Legs, plus 4. And a cheetah tail, another cheetah tail. I think this is the second of the video. Let me see what the Subzero Head looks like. There we go. Alright. Cheetah tail. Alright. Next video. next box. Raiden and Green Lantern, a shade. Let's see what the shade looks like. It looks pretty good, actually. I wasn't expecting it to look that well. And a Green Lantern Torso. Oh, okay, never mind. Next one. I want to see what the Green Lantern Torso looked like, but that's okay. Firestorm Torso. And here we are. That looks that doesn't look right. And Supergirl Arms. Minus some strength and defense, but again those actually look really nice.
Ooh. I've been wanting this for a while.
It's a green arrow shader. Red and black. Oh, it's okay. It's a green arrow shader. A Brainiac. Reinforced antiviral brain. Minus 19 strength. Minus 4 ability. Minus 4 defense, I'm sorry. Here's what it looks like. Let's go. Another Firestorm thing. That's a lot of ability. Plus 23 ability and plus 6 health. And another Harley Quinn pistol. No, another Harley Quinn item. But this is the first Harley Quinn pistols. Minus defense, minus ability, and minus health. And it increases the character XP gained by 2.15%. So it might be valuable. A Cyborg Torso, plus 33 defense, plus 6 health, but again losing 45 strength and losing 24 ability. But it does look nice. And Cyborg Arm, this is the Cyborg box. Minus 8, minus 16. So we're losing a strength and defense. But again, those do look nice.
Now we're just gonna open the boxes and just not look at it, and then we're gonna just open it and see what we get.
Okay, so we have a Hellboy Head here. 28 strength. I'm sorry, I'm reading this all wrong. 28 defense. So that's probably really good. And then, oh wow, plus 70 ability. A Dr. Fate amulet. And I think Dr. Fate is a 20.
Yes.
So 21 won't be like that far-fetched to get. So we could probably get that and add 70 ability on. So that's a good thing. Now we can move from the silver. We're going from 0 to 11 silver boxes. Oh, right. One more bronze guild mother box. Thanks, John. A Scarecrow head and a Bane head. So we have 2 heads here. 2 villains. 2 villains both in the Dark Knight Rises.
Starting on this one.
Oh, rare. Oh, here we go. A Black Canary head. 55 strength added. 39 defense subtracted. And 11 health subtracted. Then we have Catwoman Arms. Minus 16 strength. Minus 9 ability. Plus 17 defense. I mean, level 5 is okay. We have to see what kind of arms we have already. I didn't get to show them the Atom stuff. That's okay. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. That's the sound I'm looking for. That's a Starfire gem, and it's level 1, which is good because we are level 1 on Starfire. Plus 40 ability, plus 9 defense is going to help a whole lot. Here's what it looks like. That's cool. And it increases the character XP gained by almost 7%, 6.69. We could really say 6.7. Then we have another Starfire, plus 26 ability on her head. So here's what it is. And then favorite sleeves, plus 16 ability. This is a whole Starfire pack. It's great. Another silver.
Staff of Racing?
All dark side. This is all dark side pack. This is the Snyder Cut pack. This is the Justice League pack. This is the comic book pack. But no. A dark side head at minus strength, minus defense, minus health.
What the heck?
Well, never mind. Okay. Well, Robin Torso. Oh my God.
Please be not.
Look at that. So a minus 82 for strength, but plus 269 for ability, and the plus 23 for health. Also a downward on defense. But look at the ability there. Plus 269. It looks nice too. Joker legs. Plus 10 for health. Plus no. Minus 9 for strength and ability. Look like that. And Raiden legs. Plus 8 for strength. Plus 4 for health. I think we'll probably equip those right now if we don't get some better Raiden legs. Because we're not losing any defense or any ability. Jonathan, could you please get in front of the camera? Supergirl head right here. Minus 29 defense. Plus 19 health. Aquaman legs. Plus 8 health. Minus 20. Oh no. Plus 8 ability. Minus 20 health. They look like this. Dr. Fate amulet. And I believe that our Dr. Fate is at level 20, which means next level up we can use this, meaning minus 19 health, minus 19 ability, plus 25 health. We can use this amulet, which also looks cool. So I think that's a good pickup.
Staff of Grayson.
The dark side shade. Let's go with the dark side shade first. Okay, it's fine. Okay. It's a dark side shade. I think it's maybe gold and bronze, like Olympic type. I think it's gold and bronze. I think that's what it is. A Captain Cold head, almost the same as in the DC Arrowverse. And a Superman amulet, plus 20. Plus 71 strength, minus 8 ability, minus 18 defense, minus 6 health. And it looks nice. It looks not like the S, no, not regular S, but it looks like somebody drew an actual, like, lethal, perfect, blade of death, minus 33 strength, minus 311 defense, and minus 85 health. But the sell price is over 1,600, so maybe we could sell it. Minus 7.
Dark side's showing up.
There is a lot of dark side. Minus 7 strength, plus 23 ability, minus 21 defense, minus 3 health. Here's his head, and then Death Star. So Atrocitus. Oh, there it is. Plus 3 health, minus 10 strength. But we might still keep it because, we might still use it because, obviously, come on, look at this. Look. 4 silver left, then we can go into gold, platinum. Okay, we have a rare over here, Atom legs. Reinforced boots of subatomic travel, plus 20 defense. We can equip those right now, I think. I already used level 2. Level 2. Atrocitus shade. Alternate Red Lantern. Look at that. Like, is that not great? But okay. Here's the trade of Atrocitus. The shade of Atrocitus. Okay. Strength -5, defense +5, health -1 on these Deadshot legs, balanced Aramid fiber pants.
I really want Staff of Christmas. We need that.
Deadshot Torso. So we have some more Deadshot here. Deadshot starting to get some stuff to upgrade with. +6 strength, +11 ability, -7 defense.
With Jason Todd.
Okay. It's a Deadshot Torso. Destructive EB91 anti-regime plates. So that'll be exciting. If they continue with the Snyderverse, I think Deadshot's gonna return. But I don't know. He's not in the Suicide Squad. +36 strength. No, the new one. -39 defense and -11 health. Destructive ear-splitting biker alias Black Canary Head. Here it is.
What happened to the eyes? Jeez.
So it's a lot. -54 strength, -28, but only 7 health coming back. Sell price is 28, so it's not that, but we might still keep it because the lantern is pretty cool. It's durable power battery of honor. Some battery company could name themselves that. Durable power battery of honor. +5 ability, +6 health, 9- defense. Trained ultimate venom of bitterness. Bane venom tanks. Alright. These are really effective. +17 health. No. +14 health. +17 strength. +22 ability. Defense stays at 0. Wonder Woman Arms. And then we have Cyborg Legs. -24 defense. +12 health.
One more silver. Then move on to the gold. Now,
Destructive Bane Venom of Conquest. Strength +14. Ability -6. Defense -9. Sell price 70. Dark Side, a lot of Dark Side here. -5 strength, +24 ability. And Robin Torso, -82 strength, but +218 ability. This is obviously like this because our Robin is that. And here we are with Destructive Bane's Venom of Conquest, the Mighty Bell of Submission, and some Robin armor, Robin Torso. So now we are done the bronze and the silver, and we're gonna go all the way to gold. And we have 9 gold on mother box and 1 gold guild mother boxes. So we really have 10 gold boxes and then 4 platinum boxes. And this is 42 packs, by the way. 42 boxes. I'm thinking of Madden, I'm sorry. That's what we like to hear. Oh my gosh, what an upgrade. Green Lantern, +66 strength, +28 ability,
Yes.
plus the 28 defense.
Different logo.
The logo looks nice. The torso looks nice. Everything about this looks nice. Reduces damage taken from arena transition. Immediate equipped. And that's actually amazing. And it's an epic item also. So that's awesome. Green Arrow Legs, -36 ability, -59 defense. Down to earth. Gained 481 bonus XP for not jumping during a match. That's going to be very hard. Or you could just spam the arrow, so. Like some people.
Jose.
No, not like you. But, okay, let's get back to that. Let's get back to that. Robin is your name. But, -92 strength, +26 ability. Arrow looks nice. Mighty lightweight tech bow of justice. Yeah, so.
Okay.
Rare dark side. Dark side is still. Oh! Hero card background. Mighty Mask of Burglary. Plus 10 ability. Minus 14 defense. Destructive Polyfiber Scarcity Sleeves. Plus 12 strength. Minus 57 defense. And the dark side Omega Band. Plus 8 strength. We can equip that right now. There we go. Increases the amount of credits and guild credits earned by 1.35%. We love to see that. Let's open another. That's what we like to see. 2 of them.
Let's go.
Black Adam Arms. Plus 28 strength. Minus 3 ability. Minus 50 defense. And that's a lot. But plus 17 health. And it increases the thrown environmental interaction damage by almost 10%. 9.63. And close them. And it's Subzero Black, Shimmering Black Ice Mask.
Yes.
Plus 26 defense. Plus 49 health. Only missing 11 in strength. Is he a level 5? Level 4. But once we get to level 5, this will be equipped. It increases the profile XP gained by almost 7%, 6.82. And we got a Brainiac Head. We got 2 Brainiac Heads. One that you have to be level 2. Minus 19, minus 6. And one you have to be level 1. But it adds strength. But it also, adds ability. Also loses strength. And loses defense. And we're not even at the halfway point for golds right now. We've got a bunch of cool stuff. And another! And a hero card background. This is an all Aquaman box. All Aquaman head box. You have to be 7 to unlock this. 7 to unlock this. Level 7. Plus 29 strength. Minus 14 ability. That kind of, that looks okay. That doesn't look, not the best. Plus 23 ability. Mighty Tiger Shark Crown.
That's what we like.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
I feel like the epic.
And the Aquaman head. Look at that.
Yes, sir.
Plus 23 strength. Plus 16 ability. Plus 24 health. No loss on defense. And look at it. Look at that. That's amazing. And it also, I'm sorry, I missed something. Increases the profile XP gained by 8.70%. And then it inflicts 3.27% extra block damage to mechanical fighters. So, and multiverse only. I'm sorry. Will it be 4 in a row for epic stuff? No. But they're all rare, and they look like they're all Blue Beetle. Adding strength, adding health with minusing defense. Legs. Oh no. Minus ability 23, plus health 7. Here's the head. But we do have one dead shot. It's not all Blue Beetle. Plus 21, plus 4, sorry. Adding to 17 to get 21 ability. And here we are with our next mother box. Okay. Aquaman legs, Robin arms, Batman utility belt. Our Batman is 15, so 16 will not be that far off. Adding 99 strength, 1 ability, 151 defense loss. That's really bad. But 49 health loss. Aquaman leg, just losing ability and health. Robin arms, gaining some health but losing strength and ability. Nothing crazy.
And more.
And there we go. For the 5th time in the last 7 boxes, I think, we get an epic. Black Adam legs, 44 defense added, 24 health added, 60 strength lost, but those are pretty nice. Visually, they're pretty nice. Cheetah legs, 19 ability added, -8 defense, and -2 health. That's a pretty good,
Looks like some wood.
that's a pretty good deal. It does
Not
look
from
like
a
wood.
tree.
Looks like wood. And then Robin Arms, just losing strength, ability, and health. Because our Robin is a 30. So.
Yes.
3 rares. Red Hood Head, plus 16 strength. I think the Red Hood is a 2, so we'll be able to use that shortly. Green Lantern, 50, no, not plus 56.
Green Lantern.
Plus 2, well yeah, that's what it says. Green Lantern. Plus 2 health, or plus, what am I saying? Plus 2 strength, -11 ability, -7 health. Another rare Deadshot Arms, plus in health and minus in ability. And then a Harley Quinn Torso, minus in strength, adding in health. Yeah.
So now what we're aiming to get Staff of Grayson for Nightwing, which is probably not going to happen. We need that for Robin, I should say, for the move for Nightwing. That's what we're aiming for.
Okay, adding strength for Starfire, plus 29 strength.
Speed.
Plus 116 strength, minus 14 ability, and minus 66 defense for this Green Arrow legs. A bow, not that good of a bow because we're losing a lot of strength, a lot of ability, and we're only adding a little bit of health. And a Starfire Torso, adding strength. So we have a lot of stuff for Starfire to upgrade if we can only get to level 4. So we have our last guild mother box here. A gold guild mother box. Oh, there it is.
Joker.
A Joker leg. Nice. Let's go there. Oh, okay, we can go there first. 65 adding strength. 13 adding ability. The legs look not that bad. They look pretty cool. Dark side legs. Adding health, losing strength. Wonder Woman, adding health, losing strength. Same thing. Dark side, losing strength, adding nothing. Adding ability and adding health for Swamp Thing. Swamp Thing is a 1, but he's very close to a 2. So maybe a few games and we'll be able to equip that. Now we have 4 platinum mother boxes. So we've got 4 platinum mother boxes left. And we've got 2 epics, sorry. Plus 40 ability, plus 35 defense, and plus 27 health. Adding 86 ability and 26 defense for Wonder Woman's head and Wonder Woman's arms. We have Swamp Thing arms adding defense and health. We have Black Manta arms adding defense. And we have Green Lantern lanterns adding 69 health, minus 28 and 69 strength, while only losing 28 ability and 18 health. So really, every single one of these is pretty good. Yeah, I'm going to open this next one so you can see that we're actually decoding this. And we have 2 more epics. Oh. And we have a Raiden Torso and a Robin Head adding 600. Do you see this? Are you getting this? You don't have to zoom in. Just get it. 609. 609 strength. 74 health.
Click on it.
Only losing 60 defense and 96 ability.
It better look good. That's what we like to see.
Yeah.
That's what we like to see.
And look, as you can see, we can equip it because the Robin is a 30. We're not lying to you here. We're not lying to you. Done. Equipped. Raiden Torso. I wish he was a 4. but he's not. He's a 2. That looks nice. That looks nice. Especially with the other colorways and everything. Plus 47 strength, plus 24 ability, plus 13 health. Okay, Jonathan. Black Manta Hydro Jetpack. Plus 16 defense, plus 11 health. Here we go. You can see it from the back. And then a TMNT Torso. Adding health. Minus defense and minus strength. Here, I'm gonna open. Do you want me to open one more? And then you'll do the last one?
Sure.
Okay, I'll decode the next box. And then look at this. Reinforced Haley's Richstone. That's not what I'm telling you to look at. But reinforced Haley's Richstone Swamp Thing Torso, adding defense, minus ability, and minus strength. Jonathan, just get the whole thing. Minus ability and minus health for the Captain Cold Gun. Minus strength, minus ability, and plus defense and minus health for Scarecrow Arms. But look at the Wonder Woman stuff. We keep getting really good Wonder Woman things. Plus 20, plus 22 defense, plus 34 health. It's a Tiara of Battle
as well.
Yeah, it's a Tiara of Battle for the mascara. And then a Catwoman whip. Only losing 3 defense and 8 health, and adding 46 ability. That's pretty good. Now, Jonathan, I'm gonna get the camera back so Jonathan can open the last one.
If we get Staff of Grayson, which we probably won't, I want Staff of Grayson. I need that.
Wait. No.
Oh,
but we got
Arrow,
a new ability for Green Arrow.
No, that was supposed to be Staff of Grayson.
Smoke Arrow. And we got pretty good Harley Quinn pistols. And we got pretty... plus 34 strength, plus 20 ability, plus 21 health, no defense loss. We'll equip that right when we get to that level. A Gorilla Grodd Head. When we get to that level, we'll equip that. Losing 16 in strength, but adding 24 in ability, 37 in defense, and 7 in health. Black Canary Pants, adding 53 in strength, losing 27 ability. We might equip those too. There's a lot of equipable stuff here. Subzero Legs, we will equip these. They even look nice. Look how nice they look. And they have the ice for the knee pads. That's really nice. Plus 32 in strength, plus 34 in ability.
Now this.
And the Smoke Arrow.